Hey, welcome back. I'm Josh from Meadows Mirth Farm. This week's recipe from the farm, I've got some chocolate going into the veggie box. I got this chocolate from Enna. She's a chocolate maker in Exeter, New Hampshire, award-winning, I should say. And I'm going to pair that with some spices from Stock and Spice to make a mole beets. It is so simple to make and it is so delicious. Check it out. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking my beets. Now, it's Valentine's Day, so I gave these beets a rinse, and then I'm going to make them into nice little hearts, because it's cute. So I cut the sides down. I'm going to cut these beets into big chunks, nice big hearts. Try to keep them equal size. Then when I get probably about a pound and a half of these beets cut up, I'm going to add some olive oil to them, toss them with some olive oil. Just nice and simple. Then I'm going to turn them out onto parchment paper, and they're going to be roasting in the oven. So I'm going to put them on parchment paper, arrange them so they look nice, add a little bit of salt, and then into a 400-degree oven, about 35 minutes until a fork goes into them nicely and they get a little caramelized. So while those are cooking, we're going to take some chocolate, about 2 tablespoons, it's like a third of a chocolate bar, dark chocolate. Grate that up. I got the chocolate from Enna's Chocolate in Exeter, New Hampshire. Add the spices from Stock and Spice. You can check out the spice profile on my webpage. A couple tablespoons of honey, a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix that up. Add just a little bit of water to thin it out just a little bit. And then I'm going to whisk this all together, put it on the stove top, put it into a little sauce pot, put it on a stove top, just to melt the chocolate, combine the flavors. Then when my beets are done roasting, I'm going to pull those out of the oven, pour my mole glaze over them, kind of flip them around, get them nice and covered. Then back into the oven for 5 minutes. That's all you need, another 5 minutes. You don't want to burn it, so just keep an eye on it. And there you have it. It's that simple. Alright, the mole beets are done. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and just a little spritz of lime juice. Perfect. And give these a try. Oh my god. The earthiness of the beets with the chilies and the chocolate. Wow. That's love on the plate. Try this one out. I think you're really gonna like it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.